Hi guys. What I want to do in this selection of videos is to show a few different common uses of knots around wall or hall. The first of those is going to be the use of a batten to fly legs and scenery in and out. And for this we're going to use a clove hitch, but with that adaptation that we talked about, the additional half hitch to make it a rigger's hitch. So there are two ways for the clove hitch to be done. I'm going to show you the straight up version first. And you'll wrap around the batten, cross over it, leave yourself a good bit of excess rope at the end of this. And then see how you're coming underneath that overlap. Then you'll come on around, continuing in the same direction around the batten, and you put on a half hitch. This keeps the rope from slipping out when load is removed from the batten, because a clove hitch, while it's a very strong hitch, is also really easy to loosen up. There's a faster, easier way to do this, and I'm going to show that to you now. Thank you, Corey, for following me.
Anytime.
Turn a loop away from yourself as shown in the 7 knots video that you're also watching. And then turn it away from you again. Stack the second on top of the first. And we can just slide that over the batten. Put our little rigger knot safety half hitch on that. That's a half hitch. And we're ready to hoist this batten up.
I'm going to do the same thing Brian's doing. I assume he just wanted you to see someone prettier doing it. So, same deal. Throw this over, make your first loop like that, bring it up, put it through here. The part I always forget is use this line, come up around, and make your half hitch.
So now we have this wonderful batten. We can hang a drape on it, we could hang scenery on it, we can hang whatever on it. We'll now need to fly this out to trim. And in order to do that, we're going to need a couple more knots.